Okay, so pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? That means I have a triangle. That has a length of 6. Oops, it's negative 8. Sorry. And a negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have a length of 6 and 8. And it's a 6, 8 triangle. We talked about this, right? The other side is 10, right? So basically have a 6, 8, 10 triangle. Right? 3, 4, 5. Okay? So we have this triangle that's basically a 6, 8 negative, of course, and 10. Okay? Now, I've got to plug that into the formula. It's this triangle, right? Or this angle. This is theta. Okay? So, I want ca, toa. Now, also know that with the so goes the co, right? So, cosecant is equal to h over o, right? Just flipped. With the co goes the no co, which is the secant, h over a. And with the toa goes the co, so it's the cotangent. The tangent goes with cotangent. Okay? And that's a over o. Okay? And now I can do all my trig functions. I know my 3 sides. This is opposite. This is adjacent. And this is hypotenuse. And I just plug them in. So I have sine theta, right, and cosine theta, and tangent theta, and I have cosecant theta, and secant theta, and cotangent theta. Okay? And this one came out really nice. I just have opposite, so 8, negative 8 over adjacent, over hypotenuse, 10. Adjacent over hypotenuse, opposite over adjacent. And then these are all flipped. 6 over 8, negative, 10 over 6, and negative 8 under 10. And then reduce them. That's it. Negative 4/5, 3/5, negative 4/3, 3/4 negative, 5/3, and 5/4 negative. That's it, man. Same thing here. Little harder. Okay? We have 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So this is 2. This is 4. So what is the length? Well, it's a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So we've got 4 plus 16. That's 20 is equal to c squared. Right? So that means The square root of 20 is equal to C. 20 broken down is 2, 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. Take out my pair. What's the square root of 4? It's 2. I was teaching that to these kids this weekend. And they had study hall. 12 years old, 7th grade. This is what they're doing. Okay? Square root of 4? 2. 2 square roots of 5. Has she ever seen it before? No. Did she pick it up pretty quickly? Yeah, just like you guys. You guys got this. Okay? Same thing. So now I know that this is 2 square roots of 5, right? So I know that's the hypotenuse. H is equal to 2 square roots of 5. Right? This is your angle. So the opposite is equal to 4. The adjacent is equal to 2. We just go right back to sine theta equals opposite. 4 over hypotenuse. 2 square roots 5. And at this point in the game, you know you're multiplying the square root of 5 over the square root of 5, right? But yet that cancels out the bottom. And so what happens is this becomes just 5. So we get 4 square roots of 5 all over 5 times 2, which is 10. And then we can reduce it. 2 square roots of 5 over 5. Okay? Hey, cosecant. I can just take these first ones and flip them. So I have 2 square roots of 5 over 4. So that equals what? Isn't that just the square root of 5 over 2? Right? Now we move to the cosine. That equals adjacent, right? 2 over hypotenuse. 2 square roots of 5. Again, the 2's cancel out. Let's cancel those out first. Okay, now I have square root of 5, but I still got to get rid of that. So we should be able to skip to that point now. It's the square root of 5 over 5. I'm just going to take that square root, put it up top, and then take the square root away. Done. Flip these. That would be secant, right? So that would be 2 square roots of 5 over 2, which is the square root of 5. Okay? And then lastly, we have tangent is equal to opposite. So 4 over adjacent, so 2. And that equals to 2. Right? Then of course, we have cotangent is equal to 2 over 4, which is equal to 1/2. That's it. That's 8 and 9.